Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Fuomuto Smart Ring, a sleek piece of wearable tech designed to bring comprehensive health monitoring right to your finger. Unlike bulky smartwatches or fitness bands, this ring is ultra lightweight. Weighing just 0.088 ounces, and ultra-thin at 0.1 inches, making it barely noticeable on your finger. Crafted from titanium alloy, it's both stylish and durable, with a finely polished surface and 5 ATM waterproof rating. So you can wear it in the shower, pool, or during outdoor activities without worry. Before ordering, it's important to measure your finger circumference accurately to ensure the right fit. The ring comes in multiple sizes and the packaging includes a guide to help you select the perfect number. Once on your finger, this ring is built for all-day comfort, offering continuous health tracking without any subscription fees. The Fuomuto Smart Ring is packed with precision sensors, including multi-axis accelerometers, optical heart rate monitors, blood oxygen sensors, and infrared sensors, all running simultaneously. These sensors allow the ring to monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, blood pressure, and activity throughout the day. It can also track your psychological state and provide insights into your overall health. Sleep monitoring is another standout feature. The ring analyzes your sleep patterns, including onset, wake time, deep and light sleep, and overall sleep quality. The companion app allows you to check daily, weekly, and monthly data to help you adjust your habits for better rest. There's even a built-in sleep music function to help you fall asleep more easily. For fitness enthusiasts, the ring automatically tracks steps, calories burned, and distance covered. It supports multiple sports modes, including running, cycling, hiking, yoga, golf, and even dancing. Whether you're working out or just going about your day, the ring ensures your activity data is logged seamlessly. Battery life is impressive for a device this size, lasting up to 5 days on a single charge. The included charging case can fully recharge the ring in just 1 to 2 hours, keeping you powered for an entire week of monitoring. The ring is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, making it a versatile choice for almost anyone. In the box, you get the smart ring, a charging cable, a charging case, and a user manual. With its combination of style, comfort, and advanced health tracking, the Fuomuto Smart Ring offers a unique alternative to traditional wearables, giving you the data you need without the bulk. That's it for our look at the Fuomuto Smart Ring. If you're interested in a lightweight, stylish, and feature-rich wearable that fits on your finger, this could be the perfect choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.